Lincoln Blackwood, 2026, the return of a luxury legend. After years of anticipation, Lincoln is reviving its iconic Blackwood nameplate for 2026, but this time as a high-end luxury pickup truck designed to rival the Cadillac Escalade Phi and Mercedes-AMG G63. Blending bold American styling with cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Blackwood aims to redefine premium utility. Striking, modern design gone is the controversial bed cover of the original, replaced by a sleek, muscular silhouette with Lincoln's signature grille, razor-thin LED lighting, and available suicide doors for rear passengers. The cabin features handcrafted leather, real wood trim, and a panoramic glass roof, elevating it beyond traditional trucks. Brute power meets refinement. Under the hood, the Blackwood is expected to offer a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid or a supercharged V8, producing 500-plus horsepower and silky smooth acceleration. An adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering ensure both plush comfort and confident towing. Tech-first luxury experience. The Blackwood debuts Lincoln's latest digital sanctuary cockpit, featuring a massive curved display, AI-powered, concierge services, and active noise cancellation for whisper-quiet cruising. A 36-speaker Revel audio system and massaging seats make every drive feel first class. Exclusive and limited-priced well into six figures, the 2026 Blackwood won't be a volume seller. Instead, Lincoln is targeting high-net-worth buyers who want a truck that's as luxurious as it is capable. With its bold return, the Lincoln Blackwood 2026 could finally give luxury rivals a run for their money, or risk repeating history as a niche novelty. Either way, it's one of the most intriguing vehicles of the year.